How to use Pay in 4 feature or Klarna app. In order to use the Pay in 4 feature on Klarna app, you want to first download the app and browse for an item. So what you want to do is, if you don't have an account, you simply want to go ahead and create one. After which, you want to search for your desired store directly inside the Klarna app to initiate the purchase. At the store, you want to check out page, select Klarna as a payment method. So what you want to do is simply want to go ahead and log into your account first of all. And once you're logged in, you just want to go ahead and add the store checkout page, select Klarna as a payment method. The first of the 4 payment is charged to your linked credit or a debit card with the merchant shipped the order, or when the merchant ships the order, and the next 3 payments are charged automatically every 2 weeks. And you just want to keep track of your payment view schedule and manage order directly in the app. And that is how you're going to use Pay in 4 feature or Klarna app. And with that, we have completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.